sticky rice cake with meat filling, wrapped in banana leaves. If you use a knife, the sticky rice sticks to it and the cuts won't come out nice and clean. A little piece of thread works like a magic. Don't forget to drop a like, thumbs up, share Mobile Phone with Aero with your friends, and hit subscribe bell so we can discover more awesome hacks together. There you go, your own crunchy and delicious seaweed snack. If you leave a wooden cutting board unused for too long, it can grow mold and start to smell bad. Today I'll show you an easy way to clean your cutting board. Your chopsticks are all mismatched? Don't worry, I'll show you a super simple trick to line them up. I'm going to show you how to clean your sink drain. It's really easy, just using things you've already got in your kitchen. This will keep it from smelling bad and help it stay clean longer. Sparkles. Want it even smaller? Just give it a quick chop, fast, simple, and no splatter. Ground pepper clumped up from moisture? Here's how to fix it: cloud with rain, right arrow salt. Rice is a natural moisture absorber. Keep some with your spices or coffee to stay dry.